Good morning. I'm Faye Thompson. This morning, we're here to do another family recipe. The first thing we're going to do is do a Italian cream cake, and it's very popular in this area. Now, the first thing we're going to do is spray 3 9-inch cake pans. The reason I have 2 of these Joys out, one of them's about empty, and I wanted to use it before I got into the other can. It sure is about empty. That's all of it. I use this Joy. To me, it's just much quicker and easier. Used to a long time ago, we didn't know what Joy was, so we had to use, then back when we used lard. We used lard and flour to base your pans. We have 5 eggs. They're going to separate. The other day I found this little separator, and I used to use this all the time for eggs, and I don't know, I just put it back in the drawer and kind of forgot about it, and I saw it the other day, and I thought, well, this would be great to use. Okay, now we're going to beat those egg whites separate. This is the older KitchenAid mixer that I have. First of all, we're going to mix 1/2 cup of butter, which is a stick of butter, and I've left this out to soften, so it's going to be a lot easier to mix up. 1/2 cup of Crisco. I left it out to kind of soften up too. Now we're going to beat that up lightly. Now we're going to add our 2 cups of sugar. We're going to add our 5 egg yolks. Now we're going to mix our flour and our soda together before we pour it in. 1 teaspoon of soda we're going to add to 2 cups of flour. This is all-purpose flour. We mix that real good. Now what we're going to do, we're going to start pouring this in the mixer, and we're going to alternate it with 1 cup of buttermilk. We'll put a little of the flour and a little bit of the buttermilk. What we're going to have to do now is go to the other mixer, and we're going to have to mix the egg whites so we can fold them into this mixture. We'll just get this beat up. I believe we're okay with this. I'm going to fold the egg whites. We're going to fold these pecans in first. And then we're going to take, that's 1 cup. And this is a small can of coconut. I don't know how many ounces in that. I should have looked. But we're just going to fold that in, and then we're going to fold in the egg whites. And then we'll be through with it, ready to put in the oven. This is really a good cake. Okay, we're ready to put in our egg whites. You don't want to stir this now. All you want to do is just fold it in. You need to be kind of gentle with it. Just kind of fold it over and over. Okay, we got these 3 pans. We're going to try to equally divide them. This is a big cake. I believe we got this. We're going to bump it a little bit and be sure that it settles down on the bottom. Okay, we're ready to take this to the oven now. Okay. We're going to put this in a 350-degree oven, and it has cooked 25 minutes. Now we're going to do our frosting while our cake is baking. First of all, we're just going to use a box of confectionate sugar. That's 16 ounces. And I'll have that open so it'll be easy to pour in there. We just pour all this stuff in there and mix it up. That's all there is to this icing. A package of 8 ounces of cream cheese. And we left that out to soften. 1/4 cup of butter. That's a half a stick. And we have 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So we're going to mix this first. Easier for me to mix. We're going to add 1 cup of pecans to this and just fold them in. I don't really like to put them in the mixer because sometimes it chops them up a little bit too small. And I like to just mix them up like this. Now our Italian cream cake has finished baking and we've cooled it real good, because if you don't cool it, the icing may not stay on it. It's a pretty cake. I think we have enough icing that's going to go around the edges. I think there will be enough. That'll be good. The cake looks a lot better when you can ice it all around. I have finished with the cake. I'm very pleased with it, and I hope you try this. And I hope I see you on another video, and thanks for watching.